marsh frets in a high wind, where stem-shuffled shadows shift in the hush rustle of their tidal swathe. Reedlings fix claws into spires. Tall stems make scarce shelter for the shelling of broods down at their roots. Each floats with a glittering eye, scoring the sky in jitters in case a shadow falls. The wind shears in wild rose, hazel and birch, shifting a whitethroat's garble as it rides the wind's swell, his eye full of sun, thrown from bleached, stillborn skies. His song persists, littering the air with a shimmer of pitch, throat wide, mirror to the wind, on, tumbling and trembling, urgent and true. The flinch of a warbler's small-grained eye, from reeds run to hollow shells in a litany of growth, a wisp of comfort gathered for a malignant nest, swamped by a cuckoo's gaping bill. The cormorant goddess preens, black eel of the sky, her sea-soaked wings hung in prayer for her prize, her cruciform drabs, green as drowned emerald, leather-footed, face daubed with gold, deadly-eyed terror, murderer, warms in the killing sun. A fixed shadow falls. Still plummet line of skill, watch station, held in mid-air. The bowl of her head, sharp keratin hook. Talons a trick of claw, pins the colour of jet. Banded buzzard swivel, dark comma on a torn-edged wing. Poised in the wind slam, drawn to this point. Here lies the marsh, in a dream of summer, where death and song mingle, and only the brave and the beautiful thrive.